No, good morning. Good morning. I'm pushing hard. It's okay. No, 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 no. I'm already in. Okay. So, which peers are you talking about? Pounds chef. GPP, the two. Okay. You see, if you look at the two of them, if you 41 minus 16, that means we are losing little money. But if you come to let's think, because when it is edge like this, is it that we keep on rolling over, keeping rolling over, keep on rolling over, and later we edge. I mean, keep on trimming, and later we roll over. Okay, so now in this situation, this is what I will ask us to do. Don't let us quickly jump into rollover. If you look at here, we have 41, which is okay. You have already started plotting it also. Yeah, yeah, no problem. Let's say it's 41. Let's say 42. No problem. I put 32, 42, 42. Then here, let's make it 16. Oh, no, 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 no. 16. And it advises us to close 0.01. But if we are already on 8, the market is dropping. Probability that this market will drop is very high. So what is here? Is it buy? That's a sell. I'll just say let's close this sell and remove the 0.01 here according to the calculator. Okay. Now we that's the best we can do here. So instead for us to roll over, let's see let's see what we can roll over, because you know you are edge on chef also. So yeah. Mm. Yeah, we can do pending, because now let's remove the calculator, because we don't need the calculator again. We can see our screen properly. Yeah, we can do pending cell, but if you want to do pending cell, that pending cell will be below here. You remember that that's exactly the place we put it last time too. This one, so we have to put it back around this side. Pending cell, we put our pending cell under below this supply zone. You see, so we can pull that one. So now let's go to GPP chef. If you look at GBP shelf also is dropping. You understand? It's dropping. That means it's selling. So what we want to do here we can now do what we call rollover for this, because it's too much. This one, don't let us do rollover for it now. So now to do rollover, let's go and look at what we have made so far. All history. We have done 111. So, and if you look at 111. If you look at half of 111 should be 50, 50, let's say 50. If you look at this buy, one, two, three, what did it give us? Like 40 something, eh? Yeah, yeah. No, don't worry, don't worry, don't use calculator. I'll get it right. This is about 39 here, these two. Okay. And this is about minus 3. So we can do this for this. Let's close this. What is it again? Because it want to confuse me now. This one, okay. I'm coming. Then we want to take off this 4. You see what we did. Don't worry if it has affected your axis select, because because the reason why a lot of us are stuck in one place is because of that axis select. Uh-huh. So okay. So now the question we need to ask ourselves now. There are two questions we need to ask ourselves. Now, the first question is, let's look at share, I mean, pounds NZD is sitting on 26, minus 26. What is 2.5% of 1,457? 2.5% of 1,457. Yeah, multiply by 2.5%. 36.4. That means if you look at this, it's minus 26. And we need 36 to hedge. So you can put robot on this back because it's lesser than our 2.5. But don't put it now. Let's see, maybe the market will come to minus 10, more lower, than you can put the robot back. Anytime it doesn't, yeah, this is buy. But are you using, which robot are you using? You are using the okay, the ultimate. So the ultimate is to don't worry about buy or sell. When you put the robot will analyze which direction you have to use by itself. So it's not you that will decide that direction. The robot will pick the direction by itself. Yeah, you might not do the pending sell now. Okay, that's number one. That's number one on this. Number number two on this, on pounds shelf. 10 plus let's say 10 plus 4, 14, and we need 36 to edge. So this one is already qualified for robot. You can put robot on this chart. You see this one is still very close to 36. So we might wait a bit, or we trim off 0.01 again. See, trading is just a thinking. It's just a thinking. As I did it now, somebody else may do it in a different way. You understand? So now, if you look at this, it's now 13. And we need 36 for it to edge. This one is now 14, and we need 36 to edge. You can put robot back on two of them. Yes, because now you need 36 to edge here, you need 36 to edge here. If the robot cannot close it, the worst thing that can happen is it will edge again, and we manage it. And we manage it. Okay. So this is how you are. This is a perfect way to solve the problem. Yeah. Mm. And another thing I see here is that you are on seed, so you don't need all this money on seed. So what I will advise is that after you all this trade close, remove like $700 from here to standard. Yeah, the standard is, it doesn't give you a restriction of 10 drawdown, 10% drawdown. So it will easy for you to quickly make income there and come and supply it to your Axis Select. And standard, what happened again is that on standard, if you need, you see, emergency need comes at when we don't expect. And the most painful thing is you have money you can't touch because you have locked it down on investment. So, and you need to go and borrow. or you liquidate investment at loss. So, but put if you don't put your head in one basket, you put, like, when you divide this money into two, you are going to have about $700 here, and they need only $500 for now. Then you take the remaining $700 to the standard. You trade in the standard the way you want to trade it. The highest thing is it will edge. You understand what I'm saying? And that edge will not give you stress like the edge on this one, because they attach funded account to this one. That's why it normally give us yeah. So at any time you need money, let's say you need about $200 emergency money, you can go to the standard account and withdraw at any time. Here, if you withdraw here, they would it will affect everything you are doing, and the quarantine. So, because that what happened to me. I need $1,500. I need to travel, and I need to buy ticket. I need to pay for hotel where I'm going, and I have money $5,000 in my account. Meanwhile, this $5,000 I put there, they need only $500. So I believe that I have access to 4,500 when I need it. Immediately I withdraw 1,005, they drop me to -9% drawdown, and that's why I went to quarantine. And me, I don't like doing investment that will lock my capital down. That when I need money urgently, because urgent money will yes, urgent need will come at any time, and you won't be able to set yourself free. So that's why I'm telling everybody, create a two portfolio. One to take care of your urgent need, and one to continue on investment. And when it's like that, you are going to relax to trade Axis Select. So, but don't do that now. Let us rectify this before you move this to Axel. And your server, your VPS, it can power both accounts. You don't need to buy another server. So yeah, yeah. Mm. On the two, on the two, good, correct. So if you look at what is here now, let's look at what is here as your profit. You still have $48, which is fine. It's profit. You understand? It's profit. Now let's do something here. 48.17 times 100. No, 48.17 times 100. What will it give you? Yeah, yeah. It will give you 4,870. Now divide it by your deposit, 1,395. That means you are still sitting on 3.4% return on investment. If you put this money in the bank, I think you joined me about 2 or 3 months ago. No bank will give you 3%. If you put this money in their bank in Ghana, they cannot give you this profit as at now. So this is how your mindset is supposed to be working. You work, you calculate your return on investment in percentage. But if you are looking the return on investment in terms of money, you are going to be aggressive, and you will not thank God that you are growing. But if you do it in percentage, you will be growing. Then your mindset is now a mindset of investors. You understand what I'm saying? More relaxed. So not that you lose anything, you don't lose anything. You just use part of your deposit to create a less risk avenue for your investment. So that's why many people struggle to roll over. They don't want to lose out of their profit, and they don't know that profit is not what really matters, but your capital, your real money is what matters. So we have kept small money, which is 3 point something percent of your capital, which is a profit. You understand? It's not a loss. So let your mind be calm, and let's keep on managing this. Yeah. Okay. All right. Yeah. You're welcome. Yeah. Bye. Amen.